Hi, welcome ROAL Blogs post. In the digital age where content is king, bloggers are constantly searching for ways to stay ahead of the curve. Creating high-quality content regularly is essential, but it can also be time-consuming. That's where artificial intelligence, AI, comes in. AI tools can help streamline the content creation process, allowing you to write faster and smarter without compromising on quality. In this blog, we'll explore how AI can transform your blogging experience and some of the best AI tools you can start using today. 1. AI-powered content generation. One of the most exciting applications of AI in blogging is content generation. AI writing assistants like OpenAI's GPT models, the technology behind this blog, can create blog posts from scratch or assist you in writing by generating ideas, sentences, or paragraphs. With these tools, you can speed up the process of content creation without losing the human touch. Key benefits. Speed. AI can generate a first draft of your blog post within minutes, saving hours of brainstorming and structuring. Consistency. AI tools can help maintain a consistent tone and style across your posts, making your blog look more professional. Popular tools to try. Jasper, formerly Jarvis. Copy.ai writes Sonic 2. SEO optimization with AI. For a blog to succeed, it needs to be search engine optimized, SEO. AI-powered SEO tools help by suggesting keywords, improving readability, and optimizing meta descriptions. Some tools even analyze top-ranking content on Google, giving you insights into what works and what doesn't.
Key benefits: increased traffic. AI tools help you rank higher by providing SEO-friendly suggestions, leading to more organic traffic. Improved content quality. These tools analyze your blog posts for keyword usage, readability, and overall structure, ensuring your content is easy to read and digest. Popular tools to try: Surfer SEO, Phrase, Yoast SEO. For WordPress. 3. AI for topic research. Coming up with fresh, engaging topics can be a challenge, especially if you're blogging regularly. AI can analyze trends, news, and competitors' content to generate relevant topic ideas for your niche. With AI-driven content research, you'll always have a list of potential blog topics at your fingertips. Key benefits: trend analysis. Stay on top of trending topics and hot keywords in your niche. Competitor insights. AI tools can analyze what's working for your competitors and suggest similar or better topics. Popular tools to try: BuzzSumo, Answer the Public, HubSpot's Blog Ideas Generator. 4. AI for proofreading and editing. No blog post is complete without thorough editing. AI tools like Grammarly and Hemingway help polish your writing by catching grammar mistakes, improving sentence structure, and ensuring readability. They can even suggest better word choices or flag passive voice for a more engaging read. Key benefits: error-free content. Avoid embarrassing typos or grammar errors that could impact your credibility. Improved clarity. AI tools break down complex sentences, making your content more understandable for a wider audience. Popular tools to try: Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, ProWriting Aid. 5. AI for personalized content. Personalization is key to engaging readers and building a loyal audience. AI can analyze user behavior on your blog and suggest personalized content based on their preferences and reading habits. By delivering the right content at the right time, AI can help you increase engagement and boost conversion rates. Key benefits: improved engagement. AI tailors content to individual reader preferences, increasing the chances they'll stay on your blog longer. Targeted recommendations. Personalized content suggestions can lead to higher conversions, whether you're promoting products or trying to grow your email list. Popular tools to try: Outgrow, OneSpot, Personalize. 6. AI for content repurposing. Repurposing existing content is a great way to get more mileage out of your blog posts. AI can take a long-form blog post and turn it into bite-sized content for social media, email newsletters, or even a podcast script. This can save you a lot of time and effort while expanding your reach across multiple platforms. Key benefits: time saving. Convert one blog post into multiple formats with minimal effort. Cross-platform engagement. Reach a broader audience by distributing content across various channels. Popular tools to try.
Popular tools to try: Lumen 5 for video creation from blog content, Pictory for video creation, ContentBot. 7. AI analytics for blog performance. Finally, AI can help track the performance of your blog by analyzing reader behavior, traffic, and engagement. AI-driven analytics tools provide deep insights into what works and what doesn't, allowing you to adjust your content strategy accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures that you're not wasting time on content that won't resonate with your audience. Key benefits: actionable insights. AI tools provide real-time feedback on blog performance, helping you make informed decisions. Content optimization. Identify the types of posts that generate the most engagement and optimize future content accordingly. Popular tools to try: Google Analytics, with AI-powered features, HubSpot Analytics, Hotjar. Conclusion: AI is revolutionizing the blogging world by making it easier, faster, and smarter to create content. From generating ideas to optimizing posts for SEO and analyzing performance, AI can help you become a more efficient blogger. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your content creation, incorporating AI into your workflow can give you a competitive edge. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.